ain't gonna lie to y'all, I'm itching right now, man. I am itching. I am itching. I mean, I say itching. Hold on. Traction control off.
Bitch, nigga, snitch, nigga, hoe, nigga, bitch, nigga, snitch, nigga, hoe, nigga, bitch, nigga. I can smell a bitch, nigga, a mile away. Type of nigga so bitch, he should put bitch made.
She's sounding good. Not gonna cap, I am itching. Safety first. Man, it ain't no police. I just want to, man, I want to swing a donut. I'm like itching. Y'all don't understand, man. Y'all don't understand how much I'm itching right now. I'm itching to the extreme fullest, like, nigga. Right now, I'm like, man, worst comes to worst, I kick one. Police get on me and I kick one. Yeah, close doors. Oh, that popping fire. Shit. Everybody coming. I've been itching, bro. Back to normal, just like that. I want to try a no lift shift, but I don't know. I did it in my my GT, my 03, but I ain't never did it in this one. I guess I'm gonna do a little pull on the freeway I'm gonna try no lift shift to second, and then from second to third, then third to fourth. Fucking send it. I got flip-flops on, remind y'all too. Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh, shit! Bro! Oh my god, that was crazy. Oh, this thing gets up, bro. What the? Damn. Yo, that was my first time doing a no lift shift in this, bro. That shit was vicious. Fuck, y'all don't understand the drilling. Like, that shit, I felt like I was taking off in a GTR. Like, yeah, my head was stuck to the seat. And every time, you know how on the roller coaster, you hit that drop, second gear was like that, vicious. As soon as I switched from second to third no lift shift, that shit sucked me the fucking so hard. And then from fucking third to fourth, this shit was the same thing as second. I ain't gonna say how fast we was going, but we was definitely past. Put it like this. We was in, dang, is that an undo? Bruh, that's an undo. Bruh. Good thing too, that's an undo. Man. Put it like this. The top of second I be top of second I was going 85 or something like that. Just now I was at the top of fourth. Hey, if you know, you know. I ain't gonna say. Dang, that was vicious, man. Hey, I'm gonna start doing this. I'm gonna start doing this more often, man. These little car vlogs, you know, going to little Mexico, you know what I'm saying? I might just, you know, end the video off right here. If you made it this far, man, hope you enjoyed this quick little video. Me first time doing the no lift shift in my 2012 Mustang GT Coyote. That shit was crazy, man. I can't wait to, man. But like I was saying, man, if you like little car videos like this, man, PVO videos, me just driving, man, definitely leave a comment below. Like the video. Matter of fact, you don't even have to leave a comment. Just like the video and let me know that you enjoy this type of content with this PVO with the GoPro, man. I'll figure out something to talk about while I'm doing it. You know, I can do, you know, little fun runs. Sometimes I randomly get on the freeway and people be racing me at night. It's always at nighttime. Yo, look what I say, bro. It's a Shelby, bro. Fuck it, we gonna have some freeway fun. Oh shit, hold on, let me close the plates. It's a Shelby my year, bro. That's go ahead. Oh, he got off. Oh, it's alright. Oh, I thought we was gonna have some freeway fun. Whatever. Like I said, man, somebody's always trying to race on the freeway at night. It just so happened to show me 2012 pulls up right next to me. Too bad that was his exit. We could have had a little fun. I ain't scared. Even though I know I'm gonna get dusted by him, but yeah. This nigga kind of coming up fast, bro. Time for the police no more. My new edge, I got all the time in the world, man. For slow point 6, nigga. Yodi, I'm kicking one. I don't care. I'm kicking one. I can't wait to get my stuff pro charged. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna be going E85 soon, probably in the next 2-3 months max. Who knows? Next thing you know, next month I'll fucking just be like, forget about it. I want to go E85. Fuck it, just go E85. My plans for the Yodi, I am planning. If you don't know, I'm planning. My end result is to be pushing 900 real horsepower at least. But I know the first gens are only able to, you know, handle so much. If I'm pushing them there 900 to the wheel or to the crank, you know, almost 1,000. After this, I'm not gonna do a rebuild. I'm keeping this like that, and I'm getting the next car I'm gonna get is a GT500 to keep it so real. But yeah, I'm gonna probably go E85 the next couple of months to keep it so real. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, man, and all that good stuff. You know, more videos coming soon, man. I'm out.